description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet one more Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles should you choose. Today we've got this is Asha in collaboration with Hot Ones, Sizzling Chili Garlic. Oh boy, and this is the medium of the 3 variety super duper spicy range. The first one was actually, I would say, spicier than any of the cups. At least it really, I found it quite spicy. So we got a non-fried noodle. God, I hope you can even see this. This is really embarrassing, folks. My setup is not quite as it should be currently, but I am trying to deal with it. I usually have my other phone as a monitor and this one doing the recording. But there's hope. There's hope. Oh, son of a... And the sachet just fell on my shirt, and I have spicy red crap on my shirt. That'll knock 5 points off the score. No, but... the shirt does have a hole in it that needs mending, so my wife was just asking me, so when are you going to be not wearing that shirt so I can fix it? So I guess it will be not long from now. It's a conspiracy of shirt. Holy shirt. So, actually there is a hole in it, that's the problem. So here's all the goo. And now we add the water. There's this. This is the last thing you add in. Where did I put the water? There's the water right there. Okay. And we're going to fill it to the line. Right to there, I guess. Now let me double check. Is it 3 minutes or 4 minutes? 3 minutes, and let it sit 1 additional minute. Okay. Whoa. There you go. Microwave. You can heat that for a while. So 3 minutes. And it's still recording. Yeah. Uh-oh. And, yeah, I was using this thing called TeamViewer. And so, this is, what you're watching me through is a Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is an S22 Ultra, not the newest, but I mean, this combo works really well, and I was using TeamViewer so I could see what you were seeing on here. TeamViewer no longer works at all, and I think it has to do with an update. It just all of a sudden completely quit working for me. So I had to find a different option. I found one, but I couldn't get the thing that I found that does the same thing. The problem is that it wouldn't do, it wouldn't let me control it. It would just mirror. And now it looks like I've got to buy a premium version, because after 10 minutes, this setup stops. But the setup is great. And if I can get it so I can control it, then all is well. So that should be something that happens, I don't know, pretty quick. We'll see how much it costs to do the premium version. Hopefully it's not stupid expensive. It shouldn't be. But I think I would have to get it for this phone and this phone. So we'll see. But if it's not too expensive, I'm totally all over it. Because the way it used to be, it's like super choppy. And the way it would be with that, if it worked out, super smooth. I mean, like, I go like that, and then I looked at my monitor while I was doing that, and it's like perfect. The other one would glitch and be slow and choppy, and yeah, so anyways, yeah. Now we wait. Well, hopefully it's not exploding. That's the one thing I don't want, is exploding noodles and broth in a microwave. That's just not... That ain't cool. That ain't cool. Now we wait. Let's see what other music we got. Oh, wow. I've got to get new music for the show. Maybe we'll try the AI music, because I do have that. Tuesday. Yeah, that's AI generated music. Oh, 1 minute. I think all these clips are really short too. Hey, all right, let's get this out of here and we'll try it one. Ooh. Hot bowl. Here's what it looks popping out of the old wave. And of course, as always, I just dump all the spicy stuff in. Oh, I need a fork. And I'm stirring noodles. Look at that. Sizzling chili garlic. I'm very curious. I have a feeling the hot... I was going to try this without the hot element, the sachet, and see what the spicy level was before, but I forgot. But this is the finished product. Oh, couch removal. So here's the noodle. Have I tried microwaving this noodle? I don't know. It works. Here's our broth. Interesting. I don't like this one. It's spicy and it's bland. That really is like surprising me. I'm just getting the sizzle. I'm not getting any flavor other than hot, and that's kind of disappointing. But I think the next one is supposed to be the hottest one, and it's a tonkatsu, and I have a feeling I'm really gonna like that. The first one I tried was their 88 Rising beef noodle from Asha, and that one, wow, that'll be on the next top 10 bowls list. That's for sure. Yeah, I don't like it. I generally like, you put something in front of me that's from Asha, I generally like it. This one, no. I gotta say, I'm just not a fan. Oh, yeah. Well, let's give the veg a chance. Some veg. Yeah, it just needs more flavor, and that's really strange. But yeah. What it needs is a slice of chashu. That's like more than a slice. That one got cut thick. That's a slab. Torches. There's your sizzling hot. We got some scallion. Is it spicy? Yeah, it's spicy. I want to say the last one was spicier though. The tingly Taiwan. I found that to be spicier. But there's you go. That's as far as I'm going with that. So, sad to report, I don't like this one. Rotate. Do your thing. All right, well, that's it for me for today. Hopefully there will be no technical time tomorrow, and we'll get some stuff rolling for you. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Sorry. Only way I can make it stop.